Hello folks, welcome to the channel. If you wish to learn how to fix Microsoft Phone Link not working, then watch this video. So the first solution is to reset and repair the Phone Link app. So we can do that by searching for Phone Link, and we will click on the right panel on app settings. We will scroll down and click on repair, and once the tick mark comes we will click on reset, and we will wait for the checkbox, the click mark. Okay, then it should start working. If it doesn't work, then we should permit sharing across apps. We'll do that by right clicking on the start button, going to settings, clicking on apps, advanced app settings, and we will click on share across devices. Here you set it, if it's in off, you set it to my devices only, and it should start working. If both these options do not work, then the only option we have is to restart the system in clean boot and see whether phone link app works then. So how we run clean boot is we will look for system configuration, and we will go to services or tab. Now before we disable any of the applications, a very important thing we need to do here is to click on hide all Microsoft services. Now this is very important because if we do not click on this and we disable any Microsoft service and try to restart the computer, then the computer will not restart, it will keep going in a loop. So once we click on hide all Microsoft services, we can click on the rest of the services which are third party apps and we really do not need them. So once these are all checked, we will click on disable all. So what this does is it will restart the computer without any of the services running in the background. So you will not have any conflict with the drivers and phone link should start working. So once you disable all, click on apply, click on OK, and click on restart, and phone link should start working. If this video helped you, then please subscribe to the channel. Enjoy your day.